Hello and welcome back to our series of breaking down the National Electrical Code into simple terms. Today we're discussing NEC 110.26C, which covers entrance and egress from working space around electrical equipment. If you're new to the electrical trade, this might sound technical, but it's really all about making sure electricians and maintenance personnel can safely get in and out of the area where they work on the electrical gear. Let's unpack why this matters so much. The code says, in essence, there must be safe, unobstructed path for workers to enter and exit the working space in front of electrical equipment. This path must not be blocked or narrow and must provide safe exit in case of an emergency. Put simply, the area where you work on equipment can't be a dead end with only one way in or out unless it meets specific safety criteria. If the working space is enclosed or isolated, there must be enough room to enter and leave safely without risk. The exit path must remain clear of obstacles so you can quickly get out if something goes wrong. The reason for this rule is all about worker safety. Electrical work can be dangerous, and emergencies like arc flashes, electrical faults, or fires can happen suddenly. If you're working inside a cramped space and the way out is blocked or too narrow, you could be trapped in a dangerous situation. Think about this. You're inside a room or closet with a panel. Suddenly, there's an electrical fault. You need to exit quickly, but behind you is a pile of stored materials or narrow doorways. That delay could cause serious injury or worse. NEC 110.26C ensures that doesn't happen by requiring clear, accessible, and safe paths for entering and exit. Let's picture a few scenarios. Open room with multiple doors. If the electrical equipment is in a room with more than one exit, you have a good egress because you can leave through different routes if needed. A small closet with one door. If you only have one door to enter and exit, it must be wide enough, unobstructed, and provide enough space to get out quickly. Enclosed area with no clear exit. This is a no-go. NEC says working spaces cannot be dead ends or have blocked exit unless special safety features like emergency exit hardware is installed. Here are some additional details to keep in mind. The door or entrance to the working space must open outward or aside, never inward if it could block the path. Access pathways must comply with other codes related to fire, safety, and building egress, meaning they must be designed so people can evacuate quickly in an emergency. Electrical rooms should not be used as storage closets. Clutter can block paths and violate this section. If working spaces are in corridors, hallways, or aisles, those pathways must remain clear at all times. Understanding and following NEC 110.26C is vital because it protects you and your co-workers in emergencies. It ensures compliance with OSHA and fire safety standards, avoiding costly violations. It makes your job easier by providing clear and safe access, and it demonstrates professionalism and respect for safety standards on every job. So to summarize the NEC 110.26C, we must have safe, unobstructed ways to enter and leave working space around electrical equipment. Working spaces can't be dead ends or blocked by storage debris or narrow doors. Doors should open properly and pathways remain clear. This rule exists to keep electrical workers safe and able to respond quickly in emergencies. Thanks for listening.